Have you ever had a fear of going outside at night, whether it's to take out a pet, or maybe you got to watch at the mailbox, or you need to go out to your car, and there's just a part of you that's sort of frightened to go out there because of how dark it is? Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Corey Adams, here with Paradise Lights in Naples, Florida. Today we've got an awesome project. We're doing some landscape lighting here in the front yard. We've got some pool cage lights we're doing, and we're also going to be installing a different type of light that we haven't featured yet on the channel for some bushes / trees in the backyard. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait to show you.
Too fucking emotional.
At this property, that was one of the concerns, was how dark the back area is. It backs up to a wooded area, and here in Florida, we have bears, we have panthers, we have gators, we have scary snakes, we have big lizards. It's kind of scary to go outside. And so this property is backed up to a wooded area. That was a major concern for the homeowners here. And so that's why we're here, to put some light, to light up the backyard, to make it look beautiful. So let me show you a couple different options depending on what budget you have. You can go big or small, show you some options of what you can do to light up those areas and really bring your backyard to life and also make you feel a little safer. So we're here in the backyard. As mentioned earlier, we've got these, I'm gonna call them bamboo palms. I'm no arborist. I don't know if that's actually what they're called, but that's what we're gonna call them today. But they look, what's unique about them is they're not as tall as some of the palms that we would use an uplight for, which we feature a lot on the channel. This is where we're gonna be installing what's called a well light. And the biggest difference is that the well light is flat. In addition to the well lights that we put back here on the bamboo palms, we also decided to go ahead and uplight this oak tree here in the center of the yard, as well as this palm tree over here to the right. What we did with those is we chose to go with an uplight because we wanted to be able to hit the trunk a little bit better, and also we wanted to be able to hit the undercarriage of the oak tree as well as the fronds on the palm tree. Another type of light fixture that we're using on this property that we don't always feature is what's called a par 36. We chose to use this fixture because it has a bigger diameter, and we have these big, tall, mature royal palms. So why I elected to go with this, and for any of you people out there that are professionals, I'm using a 15-watt, 30-degree beam spread. A lot of times we use a 60-degree because we want to be able to hit smaller trees and we want to hit the fronds. But because of how tall this is, I needed something powerful to get up the trunk and also to still light up the fronds. So we went with the 15-watt, 30-degree beam spread, par 36, and it's going to make these 3 royal palms on this property pop and stand out from any other trees on the property. The last part of the project, and maybe my personal favorite, is the pool cage. I love doing lighting, but the thing that I love most about pool cages is on this particular property, when there's no light back here, at the back of the window, it's completely dark back here. It's almost as if your property ends at the back door. But once we add these lights, which we're adding 6 on this cage, it extends your living area. It makes it look bigger, makes it look more inviting, and it just makes it look, it just kind of brings these beautiful properties that we have here in Florida to life, because we all enjoy the backyard, we all enjoy being outside, but when you can't see out your back window, it really does make a drastic improvement. It's almost instant gratification. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that it inspired you, maybe gave you some ideas, or if you're trying to make a decision on hiring a professional, maybe this will lead you to choosing someone in your area. If you're in Naples, Florida, maybe call us. But anyways, stay tuned for the video, because we are going to show you guys the lights at night where the customer doesn't have to be scared anymore. They can go outside, they feel safe. It brightens up their backyard, it makes their property look bigger. And of course, if there's anything you guys want to see us cover in other videos, please leave them in the comments. Hit that subscribe and bell button if you want to be notified of our next video. And until next time, Paradise Lights, we're here to make life a little brighter.